Hey friends, hope you're doing great in life. Hope you're staying healthy and safe on the other side. You have been asking about the mains preparation, and here I am with a new video talking about the quants first. So it is always better to go stepwise. So we'll talk about the prelims first. Later on, we'll move on to the mains preparation. So in the prelims examination, you will get simplification or approximation 10 questions, and at home while preparing, while practicing, you need to put the timer to 6 minutes and always try to complete those 10 questions within 6 minutes. Initially it will be difficult for you, or it may be difficult up to the examination day, but believe, keep trying, and it will eventually come, and it will be very helpful on the day of examination, because you will be preparing some questions from mocks which will be tougher than the real examinations. So you need to put the timer to 6 minutes and try to complete 10 questions of simplifications or approximations or mixture of both within 6 minutes. So this is how you need to do home practices. Next, quadratic equation. Initially I used to complete 5 quadratic equation within 5 minutes or 4 minutes. So it was impossible for me to complete quadratic within 2 minutes, but I set a target during my preparation and I was able to crack the quadratic equations very easily. So you need to put the timer for 2 minutes and try to complete 5 questions within 2 minutes. Now at this point it is very important, and I have learned in my preparation that you need to write the minimum things as possible as you can on the day of examination, and as well as on during your preparation. So the less pen and paper you use, the more time you get for solving questions. This is how it works here. So I have tried to tackle some of the questions without using pen and paper, or minimum use of pen and paper, and I used to do so many questions in mind, so I was able to solve the quants portion easily in my mains examination as well as prelims examination this time. Next, for the series, you will get wrong series or missing series, and you need to solve those 5 questions within 2 minutes. Remember, we are talking about the preparation here. We are not talking about your real examination, so you need to prepare in this format. Next, let us talk about the DI first before we move on to the arithmetic. So DI and arithmetic, these two are basically very important here. So DI in prelims is very easy. It is like just simple calculations, average questions, then percentage increase, percentage decrease. So all these questions is like direct formula based, so you can solve them within 3 minutes. This is like maximum time that I'm giving you here, 3 minutes. So you will be able to solve within 2 minutes as well. So this is not very like a big issue here. But for arithmetic, this is most important part, that you need to put your maximum time in the preparation. So this arithmetic is the sole thing that is going to help you crack the mains examination, and how to proceed with the arithmetic. So basically you need to practice mixed questions here, like you are going to practice from simple interest, compound interest, then ratio based questions. Then you need to go for the boat and stream, time and speed, then train questions. So all these things are very important here. You need to practice the mixed questions. And remember, even in the examination, some questions based on average, then ratio, percentage, there will be simple questions given to you in prelims, and those set of questions are told that it is in arithmetic. So these questions actually are not arithmetic. These are just simple calculation based questions. So you need to solve, I'll say, some types of arithmetic questions which are very easy. So like very easily you will get 21-22 marks, and if you are very good in quants, obviously you will score more in arithmetic part, and you will score more than 30 or 30 itself. And now let's talk about the mains that you have been waiting for. So as you can see, if you know arithmetic based DI, then you will know, if you know arithmetic basically, you will know DI, you will know data sufficiency, and you will know data comparison. So this is like the whole syllabus of the quants mains syllabus. Now when you know arithmetic. And how you will know arithmetic? In the days of your prelims, you need to solve mixed questions that I have said. You need to watch videos. You need to solve high level arithmetic questions. So this is how it works. So mains exam is basically about the accuracy here, so and concept. Yes, accuracy and concept. So these two things are very important. So you need to build your concept during the days of your prelims preparation. It is not like you have completed the prelims examination, now it's time for the mains preparation. No, it is not that way. Even if you are not preparing for your mains examination for quants, you will like easily crack the mains examination if you dedicatedly prepared for the prelims examination itself. So you give emphasis on arithmetic based question. And I know it is like very difficult to stick on things that is difficult for us, but believe me, if you stick on, if you don't give up, then one day you will come up with like flying marks or with your job. So you give emphasis on arithmetic portion. And personally I would suggest the Studify channel, because I have got lots of benefits from that channel. I used to follow Sir Ashish Arora and no one else in the YouTube platform. And so I did the arithmetic from there, and I used to practice some of the questions from Smart Kira. So you can go for that as well. And Practice Mock is the test series that I bought for my mains preparation. And I solved only five test series, and that helped me as well. You see, in the mains examinations, the questions will be very tough, and you don't know what type of questions that the new pattern that is coming this year. So basically learning the things and knowing the syllabus, that at least to some extent the questions will be same. So you need to know what type of questions you are going to face, so that you build the confidence in at home itself. So you need to go for mains mocks, but not too much. 5 to 6 mocks is enough. You need to submit the questions. You don't have to solve questions from the mains mock, just submit it and go for the solutions. This is how I have done. So you can see how you can do, because it totally depends on individuals. So I'm just sharing what I have done in the mains preparation, but whatever I have talked here, it will help you very much, that I can guarantee. So mains is basically about the arithmetic. So put your more effort in arithmetic. This is what that I can say here in this video. Thank you. And if you need some more suggestions, you can join the Telegram group and message me personally, so that I can help you with the little knowledge that I have acquired. Thank you.